everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would start a bit of like a what I do for people's birthdays slash my nan's 80th birthday little dinner party situation prep here. The time is currently 2:38 on the 31st of October, Halloween, bitch. Been out to get the last little bits. It's my nan's birthday tomorrow and we're doing like a little dinner party sort of thing at my house. It isn't like a lot of fuss. I thought I would kind of vlog me starting to get things ready, starting to decorate like the dining room, and like putting together her birthday present. And tomorrow me and my mum are gonna make the dinner, and also I'm gonna bake her a birthday cake. So hopefully this will be a nice fun vlog. One thing you may not know about me is that I'm really good with birthdays. I just love them. Like, love a good birthday. Pride myself in good present buying and like ideas and making things special. What balloon? I wanted one that said 80 on because it's her 80th, but I couldn't find one, but I still wanted a balloon. So this is what we have. I thought it was really cute. I made it shorter, like tied it. We already had a weight. We have this pot here though, so I might put it in the pot. Okay, so here is the actual hamper. I used this to make my mum a hamper ages ago, but I can't remember what it was for. Maybe Mother's Day? I can't remember. So I'm going to reuse it. So I've got this tissue paper, which I've got more of in the garage, so I can wrap up some stuff, or I might not. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. And then inside it, I've got this like cellophane to line it a bit. I literally got this hamper from Poundland. It was really cheap. So this is the stuff I bought today. So I've got strawberries and raspberries to put on my cake. I don't know if I'm gonna want both. If not, I'll just eat them. I'll use them for another reason. But yeah, strawberries and raspberries. And then this is all the stuff for the hamper. So some nice biscuits, little bath bomb, foot mask. I got some chocolates from Hotel Chocolat. So I got Trillionaire shortbread, tiramisu, and these patisserie. Also got a bubble bath, cleaning stuff, which my mum got for her, but we don't know if we're actually going to put it in there yet. And then I've got these to put on her cake, because we've got these for my brother's birthday. Insert picture here, I made Daniel's cake. Bam. And I did 16 for him, so I did a 1 and a 6. So I'm going to do this for her, 80. And then we also have, when I was doing my scrapbook the other day, I had too many pictures of me and Daniel, so I thought we could pop that in there. And then my mum got her, made a little book full of pictures, and yeah, so I thought that was quite cute. So we're going to pop that in there. So I'm going to arrange this in here. Guys, I went on Instagram and I messaged loads of the TV stars, just celebrities that my nan likes, and I wasn't expecting a response from anyone, but I actually got a response from Colleen Nolan. If you know who Colleen Nolan is, she's a classic daytime TV hoe. This is her here. She stars in Loose Women at the moment, which is a talk show in the UK. And my nan loves it. So she sent me a message that I'm gonna play her. Let me just play it to you.
Hello Gwen, I just want to wish you a very, very, very happy 80th birthday.
Hello everybody. Yes, I look like this right now. Welcome to part 2 of this little birthday bonanza vlog. Ooh. I'm hoping to like vlog this full day and evening of like prep. Ooh. Nothing's changed in here, but I'm gonna bake the birthday cake now. Okay, so I've set up my tripod in the kitchen, and I think I'm gonna make this more of like a time lapse. Welcome to the vlog. Oh. Say hey. Hey. This is the cake we are making. Bosh. after loads of drama with my memory card, which was really fun, and my laptop running out of storage and all that shenanigans, the cakes are done. Here they are. They're looking gorgeous. I need to knock them out of the tins now. Harvey has his, come here, has his poppy bandana on. I know you just saw me make that. Ignore this, this is the back. No one needs to see the back of the cake.
So I'll tell you what happened with that. Olivia stabbed it with a knife and got very frustrated because
No,
it wouldn't
it's
come out
fine.
the tin.
Look
She
at
wrecked
this.
it.
I need to wipe. I still need to wipe the edge.
That looks lovely though.
And I've been making my cake. Mum has made the biggest amount of shepherd's pie. Look at this.
Yum yum.
Time to decorate the premises. So after 15 minutes of fiddling, happy birthday is up. Woo! So this is the dining room where we're going to be eating. So we're going to make this look nice. So the room is all set. This cute little pine cone situation along here, and then like my fairy lights that I put ages ago. And then we're gonna have the fire lit. And this is the table. How cute! Cute little place cards. And then we have the happy birthday balloon that I bought yesterday, which looks adorable. We put the happy birthday along here, and then obviously that's the happy birthday we put up over there. We have little bits of confetti, cutlery. Yeah, it looks cute. Oh, I am now fully ready. Let me move out the light. So I've done my hair, just straightened it a bit. I'll just show you my outfit in the mirror. This bodysuit, which is from Nasty Gal. These necklaces, which are Brandy Melville. I don't know if you can see them. I'm wearing these jeans, which are new look. And then I'm wearing my It's France belt. They'll be here soon, which is really exciting. So catch up with you all later. Hello, Future Liv here. I completely forgot to end this video. So if you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know if you want more videos of this style. And yeah, I hope you all have an amazing day. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, because I would love you to join the fam. I love you all so much, and I'll catch you all next week for a brand new video. Bye.
Send me, darling.